Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm excited to introduce one of the biggest updates we've ever released for XtrendAlgo. With Xtrend Algo V8, we have completely redesigned the ecosystem by introducing a brand new application called the Xtrend Main Control Panel. This powerful application brings together all XtrendAlgo tools into a single centralized interface, making the entire workflow easier, faster and more efficient. In addition to the new control panel, this update also includes major improvements to our Level 2 data engine, enhancements to the Xtrend Bookmap indicator, performance optimizations, bug fixes, and several stability improvements across the entire system. So let's take a look at everything included in this update. The first thing you will notice after downloading the update is a new file called Xtrend Main GUI.exe. Alongside it, you will find the updated customer guide and support documentation. When launching the application for the first time, you will be asked to enter your XtrendAlgo license key. Simply use the same license key you received when you originally purchased the algorithm. Once the license is validated, you will gain access to the brand new Xtrend Main Control Panel. The new Main Control Panel. This is where everything changes. The new control panel acts as the central hub for the entire XtrendAlgo ecosystem. From one single interface, you can manage Xtrend machine learning, Xtrend Server, data processing tools. Another major improvement is automatic architecture detection. The control panel automatically searches for the correct Xtrend installation folder containing core folder, internal folder, data folder. This means no more manual folder configuration for most users. Everything is detected automatically, making installation significantly easier. Data processing tools. On the left side of the panel, you will find Xtrend Panel, Xtrend Server Executor, Data Tools, Data Filtering Modules. After collecting replay data from NinjaTrader, the first step is to process that data. Click on Mode plus Grade. This allows the system to filter and prepare the raw market data. For example, if you are processing replay session data, simply select Option 1 and follow the same workflow explained in our previous training videos. Once the process starts, wait for it to complete. After that, click Fix Directions. This step validates market direction labels and prepares the final dataset. Again, simply wait until the process finishes. At the end of the process, you will obtain the final CSV file that will be used for machine learning retraining. Starting the system. Once your data processing is complete, the next step is launching the Xtrend environment. Start by opening Xtrend Server. The control panel will automatically detect if NinjaTrader is already running. Click OK and continue. Wait for the server initialization to finish. Once completed, open Xtrend Panel. This is where we will retrain our machine learning models. Live mode versus playback mode. One of the most requested features now available. Inside the panel, you can easily switch between live trading mode, playback mode. Simply click option number 8. This instantly changes the operating environment without requiring additional configuration. Machine learning retraining. Now let's retrain our model. Select option number 1. The Xtrend machine learning engine will begin processing the dataset. The model analyzes billions of mathematical relationships and market behavior patterns extracted from the processed data. Once training is completed, the new model can be used during the next trading session for testing and evaluation. Now let's move into NinjaTrader. Open your chart and load your XtrendAlgo strategy. Make sure the following options are enabled. Machine learning enabled, grade filter enabled. The complete strategy setup process was already covered in our previous tutorial. So if you need a full walkthrough, I highly recommend watching that video first before continuing. For this demonstration, we will configure daily profit target, what we call 500. This allows us to test the model while maintaining controlled risk management. As always, adjust your settings according to your account size and risk tolerance. The new Xtrend Main Control Panel is one of the most important upgrades we have ever released. It simplifies installation, automates system detection, centralizes all Xtrend tools, and dramatically improves the machine learning workflow. Combined with the new Level 2 data improvements, Bookmap enhancements, performance optimizations, and stability fixes, Xtrend Algo V8 represents a major step forward for professional futures traders. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, contact our support team or visit tradingacademy.com. See you in the next update.